What if I told you that you're leaving over $100,000 in commissions on the table by ignoring YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to pull the curtains back and show you exactly what's working to make agents successful using YouTube. Hey everyone, Kevin Smullin with 2Q Lead Generation Strategies. If you're new to our channel, welcome. We're excited that you're here. What we're all about is helping real estate agents just like you create more leads and market themselves using social media as the primary tool. So if that's what you're after, please consider subscribing, liking, commenting. It helps growing creators like us. Now, before we get going in the video, make sure you check down in the description below where you'll find a link for our free guide, 104 video ideas. If you've ever struggled knowing what to record and what topics are good, this is a great place to start. Go check that out. One of the reasons that YouTube is such a fantastic opportunity for real estate agents is that the National Association of Realtors reports that only 9% of agents use video as part of their marketing. And statistically, about 4% of real estate agents use YouTube specifically. So the simple, quick math is that you can literally eliminate 96% of your competition by using YouTube. So inside today's video, I'm going to share with you strategies, tips, and examples of what's working well so that you can duplicate the same for your area. Tony Robbins once said that success leaves footprints, and that's exactly what we're going to do today, is I'm going to show you the footprints of what has helped other people be successful. Now, there's reasons why real estate agents don't find more success with YouTube. The number one reason is because they're not on it. They're not using it. Remember how I said only 4% of your competition is using it? So that creates a huge opportunity for you in and of itself. Now, of the 4% that are using it, statistically, very few of them really have things optimized and set up to the way that I'm going to show you today. And lastly, most people don't find success because they're not consistent with the videos that they create. One of the things that YouTube favors is content creators who consistently publish new content. And so that is part of the success for YouTube. Now, for those of you who are just getting started on YouTube, let's talk about the two things that are the most important for the success of any video that you create. And those two things are your video title and your video thumbnail. Now, why are the video title and thumbnail so important? It's because when people are scanning through YouTube and they're looking for something, those are the two things that they use to make a decision to click on a video to actually watch it. So you want to spend a good amount of time making sure the thumbnail and the title are exactly what people are looking for so that they click on your video. So let me share with you some examples. This is a real estate agent. She's up in Seattle area. And so what I've done is just gone to a channel and gone to the videos tab, and I'm sorting it by popular because I want to see the videos that are getting the most views. It doesn't really help us to look at videos that have low view counts. We want to find what's working well, what's drawing in a crowd, and that's where we want to create our content. So in looking at this, you can see that her top video right here, 7 things I wish I knew before moving to Seattle. And so this is one of the first things that you want to hone in on when it comes to your strategy for YouTube. And that is you want to make sure that your content is hyper local. See, in your business, you're not trying to get views from everybody in the United States. And so it's a different strategy than people who go onto YouTube who want to become the next YouTube influencer with hundreds of thousands of subscribers and millions of views. Obviously, we love getting those kind of results. But for you to see success and make money on real estate, it's not necessarily about the number of views. It's about getting the right people to view your video. See, like I said, your business is extremely local. So it's not about making everybody see your content. It's about making the right people see your content. And so with that concept in mind, as we go back to her channel, this concept right here, 7 things I wish I knew before moving to Seattle, right? You could literally do this with any area where you're at. 7 things I wish I knew before moving to blank, and insert your city. The beauty of that kind of a video is that it's going to stand out amongst other types of content. So if somebody searches for things to know about blank, whatever area, there's going to be very little competition for that type of a video. And so you're likely going to rank very high. And it makes sense. As a real estate agent, we want to position you as the go-to expert in your area. We want to position you as the local expert. And so that's a fantastic video. This next video you see here is also a great idea. The 5 most popular Seattle neighborhoods to live in. Right? Think about the neighborhoods in your area. That's super hyper localized. And so if people are researching specific communities, we want to position you as the knowledgeable expert about those communities. That's another great topic. So again, you could easily do this for your area as well. This is one that also stood out to me. Let's explore Seattle's most affordable real estate. Again, this is a topic that home affordability is a topic that is on the minds of many people. And so being able to showcase some of the most affordable real estate in your area, that's also a video that's going to get great results. And so when you start looking at these video titles, the titles are fantastic. The concepts are great to be able to target local people. And it starts positioning her as the knowledgeable real estate expert. All of this is fantastic. The thumbnails are decent. It's actually probably an area where she might be able to level up and do a little bit better with thumbnails. I'll show you some other examples. But this is a great channel just to look at, to gain ideas, and completely use those concepts and mirror it for your own local area, right? Because if people want to know about Seattle, whether they live in Seattle or whether they're relocating to Seattle, those are the people that we want to view your concept, your videos, right? And so that's where you can be extremely powerful here. So I had one client who put up a video about foreclosures in his area. And that video only had about 170 something views. But of those 170 something views, 20 of those people went to his website, reached out to him to get information that he was offering about that topic. He generated 20 leads from one video. And it's a video that he did over a year ago, and it's still producing results for him. Do you see how exciting YouTube is and the great opportunity that's here? Most of your competition totally ignores this. And if you're getting 20 leads of people reaching out to you, think about how easy it is to do another video and another video and another video and get to that $100,000 of commission that we're talking about, right? It's all about positioning yourself as that local expert. Now, I want to show you a couple other examples just to continue to get your mind going. So this particular agent, he's in the Phoenix area. And he's probably one of the bigger real estate channels I've personally seen from a licensed agent, where he's just doing this to get local business, right? So if we do the same thing, if we go to the videos tab, select popular, I really like a lot of his thumbnails, more so than what we saw with the other example I just showed you. So a lot of these examples, they just stand out more to me as far as they're more visually appealing. If you're scrolling through YouTube after searching for something, you're likely to stop on some of these. And so again, when you start looking at some of the videos that are the most successful here, home buyer mistakes to avoid. He's got almost 1 million views on that, which that's crazy. One of the things that I don't see a ton of here is stuff about the local market. I think he could do a little bit better about making his content more localized to the Phoenix area. But that might not be part of his strategy. Maybe he likes referring deals to other agents nationwide. I don't know. I haven't had a conversation with him. But if you look at the concepts for the video, how much house can you actually afford? Again, home affordability is such a big topic for people today. I love that title. Do not buy a house until you watch this video. That's going to create a ton of curiosity of people saying, why? Like, what do I need to know? And they're likely going to go click on that. So I love his combination of titles, the thumbnails. I think they're just striking and going to gather attention. And again, this is so much of what people are basing their decision on when they go to click on a video. And so these are some of the rules of thumb that you want to take as you start your YouTube journey. So, number one, hyper local content will be super successful for you, positioning you as the local expert and as the real estate expert. Lesson number two is the title is super important. We want to create that curiosity, make people want to know what it is that you're talking about, like that description or that title I just showed you. Um, do not buy a house until you watch this video. That's a great, powerful title for a video. Thumbnails are extremely important. Again, so much of people's decision of what videos they're going to watch are going to be based on the thumbnails. So take your time and make great thumbnails for what you're doing. And so for most of you, using that information as a starting point, that's going to get you some great videos that are going to produce results for you. So like I said, how many videos do you need where, like this other client of mine I was telling you about, where he got 20 leads off of one video? How many of those videos do you need to completely transform your business? That's where YouTube gets super exciting. And then you pair that with the information we talked about at the beginning, which is so much of your competition is not using YouTube. That's where, for me, things just get massively exciting. So, hopefully that video is helpful, giving you some great starting points and showing you what the vision and the option or what the opportunities are for YouTube. So if you found that helpful, do me a favor, take a split second and take that or click that like button down below. Again, that helps growing YouTube content creators just like me. So I appreciate that. Also, if you haven't already done so, go down in the description below, find our guide for the 104 free video ideas. That is going to really help you get some additional ideas and concepts for videos that will make a massive difference with your channel. So make sure you go click that link and download it. Also, we have courses and services that we offer to help you take advantage of YouTube and pull in that commission and that income that you're looking for using YouTube as the major tool. It is a fantastic marketing tool that so many agents overlook. So if you would like our help on that, there's some information on that down below. Make sure you go check that out. Other than that, that is it. Make it a great week. Keep crushing it in your real estate business, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care.